Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. If accounting software were cars, these two would be the reliable ones with no monthly payments, no flashy gimmicks, and no surprise bills hiding under the hood. Today, we're comparing FrontAccounting and LedgerSMB, starting with pricing so you can immediately see why these tools appeal to businesses that want control without subscriptions. Let's begin with FrontAccounting. FrontAccounting is completely free and open source. There are no subscription plans, no usage limits, and no paid upgrades. You can download the software, install it on your own server or local environment, and use every feature without paying anything. The only potential cost involved is hosting or technical setup if you choose to deploy it online. But the software itself has zero licensing fees. This makes FrontAccounting especially attractive for small and mid-sized businesses that want full accounting functionality without ongoing expenses. Now let's look at LedgerSMB pricing. LedgerSMB follows a very similar model. It is also fully open source and completely free to use. There are no monthly subscriptions, no per-user fees, and no feature restrictions. Like FrontAccounting, LedgerSMB can be self-hosted, meaning businesses may incur costs for servers, database management, or professional support if they choose, but the core software itself is free. From a pricing standpoint, both tools are equal. You're paying nothing for the software and trading subscription fees for ownership and responsibility over your own system. Now let's move into FrontAccounting features. FrontAccounting is designed as a full double-entry accounting system built for real business operations, not just basic bookkeeping. It includes a general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, banking, budgeting, and fixed assets. FrontAccounting also supports sales orders, purchase orders, inventory tracking, manufacturing, and multi-location stock management, which is rare in free accounting software. Businesses can manage customers, suppliers, taxes, and multiple fiscal years while generating detailed financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, trial balances, and tax summaries. FrontAccounting is web-based once installed, meaning it can be accessed from any browser on the local network or online server. It supports multiple currencies, role-based user permissions, and modular extensions for customization. The system is lightweight and fast, designed for accuracy and operational accounting rather than visual polish. It's particularly popular among businesses that need inventory, warehouse management, or light manufacturing built directly into accounting. Now let's look at the pros and cons of FrontAccounting. On the positive side, it is completely free, highly capable, and offers deep accounting features including inventory and manufacturing. It gives businesses full control over their data and does not rely on third-party cloud servers. On the downside, FrontAccounting has a dated interface and requires technical setup. There is no native mobile app, and beginners without accounting knowledge may face a learning curve. Still, for businesses that value control, structure, and zero licensing costs, FrontAccounting is a powerful solution. Now let's move into LedgerSMB features. LedgerSMB is an open source accounting platform built with a strong focus on compliance, transparency, and audit-ready financial records. It is based on double-entry accounting and includes core modules for general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoicing, budgeting, and financial reporting. LedgerSMB supports multi-currency transactions, tax configuration, and detailed audit trails that track every change made within the system. This makes it especially suitable for businesses that operate in regulated environments or require strict financial oversight. LedgerSMB also includes inventory management, order processing, and fixed asset tracking. One of its standout features is its role-based access control, which allows administrators to define extremely granular permissions for users. This is ideal for organizations with multiple accounting roles or internal controls. LedgerSMB uses a PostgreSQL database, which provides strong performance, scalability, and data integrity for businesses handling large transaction volumes. Because it is self-hosted, companies retain complete ownership of their financial data and system configuration. Now let's look at the pros and cons of LedgerSMB. On the positive side, LedgerSMB is free, open source, and highly secure. It offers strong accounting discipline, detailed reporting, and excellent audit support. The software is well suited for businesses that prioritize accuracy, compliance, and data ownership over convenience. On the downside, LedgerSMB requires technical setup and ongoing maintenance. The interface is functional, but not modern, and it lacks built-in payment processing or automation tools found in commercial SaaS platforms. It is best suited for accountants, finance teams, or technically capable users rather than casual business owners. In terms of ratings, neither FrontAccounting nor LedgerSMB has extensive official listings on platforms like Capterra. Because both are open source and self-hosted, they are not always categorized as commercial software products. As a result, there may be no official star ratings available. However, both platforms are widely praised within open source, accounting, and ERP communities. FrontAccounting is often recognized for its inventory and manufacturing capabilities, while LedgerSMB is respected for its security, compliance features, and accounting rigor. Any mention of ratings should be viewed as community sentiment rather than formal review scores. Here's the final takeaway. Choose FrontAccounting if you want a free, full-featured accounting system with inventory and operational tools built in and are comfortable managing your own setup. Choose LedgerSMB if you need audit-ready accounting, strict internal controls, and complete data ownership. Both tools prove that powerful accounting software doesn't have to come with a subscription. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the next software you want compared so you never miss another deep dive accounting guide.